Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by picking an ad network and registering your site so you can generate ad units. Once done, verify ownership and finish payment and tax settings. This unlocks payouts. Next, create ad units with explicit sizes and responsive options so ads adapt to devices. Make sure to name each unit logically. That keeps implementation tidy. Finally, copy the generated ad code, snippets to a secure note, or code manager, so you can paste them into your pages in the next step. Now you implement code into your page templates and content slots, so ads load where users expect them. Place async scripts and responsive containers. Make sure ad containers have explicit width/height or aspect ratios to prevent layout shift. Once done, enable lazy loading or intersection observer loading for below-the-fold units to protect performance. Also integrate consent management. Ensure opt-in/opt-out signals reach the ad network, because proper consent avoids penalties and preserves revenue across regions. Finish by monitoring earnings and user metrics to know what works. You'll want a 2 to 4 week baseline to judge changes. Then iterate. A /B test placement, size, and sticky versus inline formats to improve RPM and CTR. Once confident, tweak frequency caps and partner settings to increase yield. If things go wrong, first check browser console errors and whether ad blockers are active. Ensure scripts load in the correct order and that your site's CSB allows the ad domains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.